to make a space helicopter. So what we have here is a little paper helicopter. So a piece of paper cut and configured to have blades like a helicopter, and with a paper clip to add some weight to the bottom. Now when this is dropped, it will drop a bit like the seeds that you can see falling from trees. So it will spin, and by spinning it slows it down as it falls, and for the seeds it protects the seeds as they're falling down to the ground. What happens is that these blades create swirling eddies in the air that create drag, and they slow it down as it falls. Now if you were able to spin them fast enough and have the correct wing shape, you could create lift, and then you've got a helicopter which can fly under its own power. We can't do that with a piece of paper, but what we can do is create a helicopter which will fall slowly and protect whatever your payload is, in this case a paperclip. Now you may have heard of the Perseverance rover that's trundling about on Mars right now, and that has a helicopter with it that's called Ingenuity, and the Ingenuity helicopter is flying ahead of the rover and checking out places where it could explore later in its mission. So helicopters have become very, very important in space exploration and exploring other planets. So let's see, first of all, let's give you a demonstration of what this looks when it flies or when it falls, and then we'll show you how to make it. Okay, so you've seen how this works in terms. This very simple device works in terms of slowing down the payload. Now, when you get your kit, what you'll have is two sheets like this. So for your group, you'll have a number of helicopters that you can build and a full set of instructions. So what I'm going to do is take one of these and show you how to build the helicopter. So here we go. This is the template. Now, as with many of these templates, you cut along the solid lines and you fold along the dotted lines. So don't cut the dotted lines, you only cut the solid lines. So what I'm going to do straight away is just cut carefully along the solid lines, of which there are 3. One there, and then one there. So I've cut along those now. These two, with B, I fold that towards me. With A, I fold it away, and that makes the helicopter blades. So you can see those there. With C, I fold that away from me, like that. It's a bit more fiddly. I fold that away. With D, I fold that towards me, so that they're folded. So C and D are now folded into one piece, and you can just about see the dotted line here, which I fold up so that that's like that. And I grab my paper clip and I just slot the paper clip on the end like that. And that is it. Simple as can be. So let's see this one fly. So that's how you go about making a little paper helicopter, and now it's your turn to go and have a go at that activity and see if you can make your helicopter fly. Over to you.